Next phase of fire, you're going to fire 3 rounds, load 3 rounds, and fire 3 more. You're going to fire 6 rounds, loading 3 in between. Fire 3, load 3, fire 3 more. 6 rounds to fire. On the signal. Fire. Top them off. And top off.
And top off.
Anybody got any rounds in their pocket? No rounds in the pocket? 1? All right. You're going to fire 2. If you have rounds in your pocket, you'll fire 2, top off whatever you got, and then fire 2 more. You're going to fire 4 rounds. 2 rounds, reload if you have, and then fire 2 more. On the signal. Fire. Pull the bolt back. She's empty. If you are safe and if you are empty, just stand easy on the line. Keep your muzzles pointed down range. Just leave the bolts open so I know that you're empty. If you're not, ready gun. 2 rounds on the signal. Fire. 2 rounds on the signal. Fire. Open the action. Present safe and empty.